Ooh, man. Just got one big swoop. Double kill. That person stealing my kill. Just going back and forth trying to hit each other with the sight. Okay, he got me. You know, you got me, guy. You got me. 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome to another episode of PHDTV, where we're continuing playing Brawlhalla. First episode, I don't know how it went. I think it went fine. I enjoyed playing it. That's kind of the main thing. People might say, oh, this game's hard to follow. There's a lot going on. You don't know which player's which. Well, depending on my reaction, you tell which player's which. I'm also starting to figure out what games are different to play. Different games that are free right now. That's just the ones I'm doing because they're all new to me. Brawlhalla kind of like, because it's like other video games, Super Smash Brothers, and there's like a Nicktoons, Nickelodeon similar one to that, which maybe I'll upgrade to that one in a little bit. That one was fun to play when I played that before, and I know the characters, and that it's, I don't know, might be better than this one. So, again, some people might say free for all is hard to follow, don't know what's going on. Well, the main thing is I enjoy playing it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know, and I think that enjoyment, that's bigger payoff than a game that would get me more views, which I don't know, any game I put out, the views come and go, subscribers come and go, which going up right now. I don't know if the biggest thing that gave me subscribers was playing Tommy one-on-one and beating him. That might have been the most beneficial thing. Let's see, I might have to record 2 episodes of this. Let's see, I still don't know how long to make these episodes, or I'll just record Ashley and I playing pickleball. Might also do that. Nice easy win there. But for now, let's start playing. I don't know, level 4 right now, and man, it is difficult playing with the music that's playing in here. It's just, yeah, like background music. Man, I might have to update my gamer tag at some point, get my logo in there. Yeah, PH Dilemma Podcaster right now. Alright, I can do a casual match. Can play competitively. We'll see. Custom game room. Brawl of the week offline. Meet the legends. Again, all people play different amounts. Alright. Let's see. Unranked 1v1. This might be cool. 1v1 strikeout. Let's start with that. Use a different legend every stock. Alright, sounds good to me. Again, I like going random. Is this, wait, are these different people? I'm so confused right now. What is going on? Are they different for like the different games? What is going on? Why are these different than last time I played? What is happening? Oh man, do they switch up like who's like you play with depending on the week? I don't recognize any of these people. What is going on? I am very okay. I remember that guy. Do they just rotate? Is that what it is? For example, I can't pick him. Do you have to pay for an upgraded version to get the same people every week? Oh man, I am confused. Yeah, because are people? Huh? I'm gonna have to do more research into this game. See, I remember playing with some of these people. Like, yeah, I played with Petra. Do they just rotate? Huh? I don't know what the exclamation points mean. I don't know what that means, but hey, kind of makes it more difficult to level up people. That's fine with me. Let's, all right, 1v1 strikeout. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, can you change the settings up there? Strikeout stock, teams off. Where the settings are there. Okay, so this is where we do different games. Brawl, I don't know what this means. I don't know what Brawl of the Week is. Ranked 3v3. I prefer the unranked ones. 1v1 strikeout. Okay, those things are locked. Friend, I don't know what these things mean. Band map, I don't know what this means. Alright. Custom online. No, it's alright. Okay. Well, random. Yep, we'll see how this goes. Alright. New characters, that's going to make it difficult to get in a rhythm with them. That's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll adapt. I got to figure out the Alright, good. I died right away. That's... Jeez. This lady has giant hands. Lin Fen. Just giant hands. Alright. See. Alright. Okay, this guy knows what he's doing. Oh, man. That's tough. I barely got any damage on this guy. Okay, I just can't get a hit on this guy. Come on, do something. Man. This guy got combos or something going on? What is going on with these moves? Am I a different person now? This guy is just destroying me. How do you get these combos and stuff going on? What is going on? I don't like this. I'm gonna... That was so bad. That was so bad. I might have to quit it. You know what people were saying where this isn't a good game to stream? Yeah, that might be the case because that was so bad. What? I don't know what just happened. I shouldn't get any XP for that. That was... What just happened? Am I about to get a reward for losing so badly? I don't get... I still don't get the strikeout stock. I just got obliterated. Am I the same character again? Okay, let's see if I get some more hits on this person. What was that? That was so bad. Man. It's my... Okay. Okay, this person's more my speed. Not all those combos and stuff. Okay, there we go. There we go. I gotta figure out how to get like combos put together. That's not bad. That's not bad. I need to figure out like X moves versus Y moves. I need to figure out how to put multiple moves together. Looks like X is more like fast moves. Oh, yep, there we go. Easy dub, easy dub. Easy dub. Alright, I like that. I like that. Oh man, this over B thing's really working. Oh man, this person's trash. Show me your moves. Bang. Man, this person sucks. Yeah. That's what I like to see. Nice. I don't know what's inspect mean. Inspect what? Next. Next. Woo! Those giant hands. They're so big. Alright, I don't know. Am I getting rewards? Gold? I don't know what gold gets me yet. Oh, do you select people? Huh. I think you like gain things. Okay. Alright, well. It's good to know that you gain things as you use one person more often. Different abilities and stuff like that. Well, you know, I'm not gonna do that right now. Or if you can add. Oh, and you can like mix and match them. That sounds too confusing. All right, let's do another. Just, you know, they say stress-free. Oh, let's try this. Let's try this. Let's just, you know, 2v2. We haven't done this one yet, so we'll see how this one goes. See who I pair up with. Am I this Lynn person again? I don't want to show off all my moves yet. Alright, who am I with? See, if there's friendly fire, that will be an issue. Because, you know, I'm going to forget and the characters all look the same. Alright, I'm with this blue hat guy. Please tell me you're the same color. Okay, that helps. You just get a double kill? Man, that's tough. Ooh, man, this guy's good. I like this. Okay. Huh. And that person threw me off to the side. Oh, give me a kill. Ooh, give me another one. Ooh, man, I'm hot. I'm hot. Ooh, missed it. All right, okay. All right, let's go here. Need some more kills. Oh, man. Keep almost flying off the side. Ooh, that's tough. That's tough. I'm out. I'm not quitting. I want to see if I win. All right. This isn't good. Cowboy guy. I got 2 kills. It's not bad. All right. See what he can do. He's gonna need some. Ooh. That's impressive. See, now we're both kind of watching this. I'm not in. Your guest not watching. It's kind of cool. Huh. Just got a minute. Where do they get these moves from? Man, this cowboy guy. Yeah, W. 2 KOs. That's not bad. Rematch. Next. Yeah, random. Give me something besides this lady with the huge hands. I'm more of a pacifist. Alright, who am I playing with? You see, that's a pretty cool logo that guy's got there. I wonder if they pair people up on who's bad and who's not. Alright, speed. See. I don't know what kind of character I'm good with. Alright, here you go. Are these people I played last time? Ooh. Ooh, is that me? I got a lot of damage. I'm taking a lot of damage right now. A lot of damage happening. Let me get this sword power up. Yep, that got me. Linfen. Okay, that's fine. I was taking a lot of damage there. Alright, get someone. Power up here, big fist. Bang. Grab him, throw him out. Bang. Bang. Oh. Man, I'm getting a lot of kills here. See, 25 opponent kills. Ooh, how many kills did I get? Like 3 or 4? 2. That doesn't sound like enough. Thought I got more than that. Alright. Okay, I mean, yeah, that's a little hopeful depending on how... Why does he get more damage done? He barely did any more damage than I did. Okay. Oh, I'm being recorded, aren't I? Edit, producer, edit that out. Man, this game's just flying by. You see, sometimes I'm going quiet, so good thing I got background noise. Alright, let's do this. Let's go down the line of people. Let's try that. How many games do I gotta play to do that? See, now I mean, I can make them different colors. Team blues. I don't know what colors. That's all the same. Yeah, I don't have any like new things to get. Everything's just default. Basic stance. That's way too in depth to know what stance I need. Why are you attacking me, homie? Too easy. Too easy. Alright, am I getting paired up with just like the better people? Oh no, that's not me. I'm paired up with that guy. This doesn't look good for us. This is not not what I would call paramecine. Get me out of here. They look dangerous. Man. Ooh, yep. Probably gotta figure out how to time things out with your teammate and get each other's backs and stuff like that. But because we're not on the same thing, okay, dead already. Not good. All right, get me back in, coach. Get me back in. Okay, big pole. Whoa! That looks pretty powerful. That guy stole my kill. I got a big javelin here, just waiting to poke some people. See, this pretty powerful move I got here. Just need distraction. Come on, distraction. Man, this guy kept running into it. Huh. Well, does that count as kill for me? I think that lady died. That should count as kill for me. Quit following me around. This guy is in big trouble here. Oh, I'm gonna steal this kill 100%. Yeah, get the damage on him. Get the damage on him. Okay, this guy's making a comeback. No, get back in. Huh, yeah, that guy did kill a lot of people. 1 KO. Alright, I'm out of here. I need something where I get some more KOs. Play through. Alright, some achievement. Nice. Ooh, I get a reward. You can change paths at any time. What's this mean? I don't know what any of these mean. Dark path, twilight path, light path. Dark path, probably not for me. I don't know what these mean. Gamble things, let's go this one. I don't know what that meant at all. Is that a reward? Umbra sword. Okay. Nice. Interrupt down attacks. I don't know what that means. She level up. Alright, nice. Nice. Let's go get some. Who am I gonna? Nyx. Let's go back. Let's get out of the friendlies play. I do like one-on-ones. Let's do a free-for-all. Oh. I just threw a blow in my mouth. Oh. That was tough. Alright. Alright, ready to go. Settings. I don't know. How do I make this game mode longer? Some of them are pretty short. I guess I can't change it off of time. How do I change from time? I would like it to be longer, but I guess you probably have to be like local to do that. Alright, let's go Nyx with the, what's that, scythe? I forget what it's called. Whatever. See? I don't want to give away all my moves. Okay, good defense. Ooh, there are 2 Nyxes in the group. Okay, I don't know how to tell myself apart. I'm just a default. Okay, good. Still recording. Mic, I think it's on. Which one am I? See, that's the first thing, is just figuring out which one I am. Just teeing off on people like a bat. Okay. Oh, see ya. I need to get one good hit on this person again. Yep. Oh, yep. Alright, jump off the wall. Ooh, yep, I'm getting some damage. Alright, I'm out. Okay, yeah, give me back in. Ooh, someone's disconnected. That's tough. Huh. Okay, jump. Get back on. Look at the big move here. just got one big swoop, double kill. That person stealing my kill. Just going back and forth trying to hit each other with the sight. Okay, he got me. You know, you got me, guy. You got me. I got a lot there. All right, we're in the win. We're in first place right now, but we gotta get back in. We gotta keep grinding, get this power up here. I need something. Just keep hitting X. I need something. Okay, nice. I need something. I need some big moves here. Need some big moves. Yep, that's good. That's good. All right, no. All right, I gotta get back in. I gotta get back in. I need a big move. No, not a big move on me. I need a big move. Oh, that guy just go clutch by killing me right at the end. I had it right at the end. Right at the end. Only 3 KOs. I feel like I had more. I feel like I was just kept hitting people right off the edge. Super. That's so many super hits. So many super hits. Maybe I need to figure out how to divvy that up a little more. But hey, that was a lot of super hits. Okay. Mission complete. Nice. That's good. Nice getting that mission complete. I don't know what the mission. I don't remember what the mission was. All right, who we got here? Caspian. I don't think I've been Caspian. We got like not too much power. Scarlet. She has big power moves. Okay, Caspian. Looks like I played with Caspian. Kaya. I don't think I played with Kaya yet. And Ben. Izo. I played with that guy. I don't remember doing that. Tezka. Don't remember that. Imigu. Big power. King Zuzu. Zuza. Zuva. Whatever. Alright, I'll keep going down the line. Kaya. What colors we got here? Let's go yellow. Very yellow. What do we got here for time? Alright, we're good. Where am I at? Am I the only one here? Press enter to chat. I don't need to chat. Oh, she's the one that can like freeze people. What do we got here? See, hopefully some of these people don't try knocking yourself out to get an advantage. That will net you -3 points. I guess because you don't want people to knock you out. Where am I at? Ooh, very flat. Ooh, that really launched that guy. So you just gotta launch things up. Why can't I jump? Why didn't I jump? Man, ooh, I got a lot of points to begin with here. All right, let me get back in. It takes so long to respawn here. Get me back in. Man, this is really like a brawl. Not much room for error happening here. Ooh, oh, we got a couple of the pointy things happening here. Bang. Okay, well, I need a power up. It's hard to compete if you don't have a power up going on. Okay, well, yeah, he's dominating. Man, it's tough. The lobby's just dominated by one guy, and you got nowhere to go. I can't plan out an attack or anything. I'm just gonna take advantage of the other people who are bad. Bang. Ooh, yep. Threw him out. Threw him out the club. Come on, guys. You're also bad. Let someone get a good move here. Not just be dominated by this guy. Just going back and forth. I need to get a good hit here for a KO. Okay, nope, this guy's just killing people. Triple KO? That's excessive. Like, leave some for the rest of us, guy. Yep, get something there. No, he's taking my kill. Come on, I need 30 seconds left. I need some big kills here. Just get into a crowd of people and do my moves. Come on, give me something. That person needs to die. Don't die yet. Man. Ooh, that's a lot of hits. A lot of hits. Win 10 matchmaking games? I didn't win, homie. Score 102. I only got 1 KO. Man, I was dishing out big hits like nothing. Like, yeah, well, not like nothing. That's not a good phrasing. I was dishing out big hits all over the place. I don't know what these weekly missions are. What am I going to win at the end of this? What? Accept, I guess. I don't know what I was accepted. Okay, nice. Mission complete. I don't know what that means. Play matches as member of the Order of the Exalted Lion. Wins count double. I don't know who the Exalted Lion is. KO opponents off the top of the screen. Okay, well, I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get any KOs. Alright, play as her. Let's play as Ezio and see what happens. Ezio? Is that what they call him? A lot of sword play. Bang. Ooh. Nash. See, that's what the other person at skill adept. I don't know how you get that. I'm pretty skill adept. That's a big rhino. Where am I at the top of the screen here? Alright, what do we got? What, do they not even start playing until you get these special abilities? Ooh, that's pretty good. Ooh, man, this guy is not very skill adept if I do say so myself. Alright, they're fighting up there. Ooh, okay. That one might have gotten me. Come on, get up on the wall. Man, first strike. See, this isn't as fast paced, not as tight as the other games. So gonna take a lot more skill, like throwing bombs at people. A lot more places to run away and hide and pause games out. I think I'm more of a close combat kind of guy rather than this far out type of stuff. It's far out, man. I just need bam, pow, bam, 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 one after the other. All this, oh, strike when you're supposed to, time things out, blah, 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 blah. I like getting multiple people with my big hits. And I like going big. Maybe that's my problem. I like just throwing things around. Maybe, is that because I'm bad at this game? I like the close combat, just boom, 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 things flying. All right, pretty tight game so far. We've got 6-point difference. Oh man, I got a couple people. All right, what do we got? We're gonna need some big moves here. Count as KO, count as KO. No, I'll count it. Guys playing or not, doesn't matter to me. Double KO. Man, I was trying to get the double KO on those two. Nash. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna have to stall out. Stall out. Oh, dude, I'm gonna hit this guy. And end of time. Gotta get some more hits. Gotta get some more hits. Gotta get. Oh, yep. Count as KO. End of time KO. Time's running out. Get another KO. Another KO. Woo! Win. Another win. Man. Count it. Win. 4 KOs. I mean, I might have gotten an easy one. The person came in 4th place. But that's okay. A lot of big, see, a lot of big and super hits. Small hits? Nah, it's not me. I don't even know what super hit is. There's a lot of big hits going. Maybe that should adapt to who I play with. That's okay. Ooh, win. Nice. I don't know what filling this board up means. Win match made games to unlock colors. Earn All-Star Legend color scheme for competing with 45 legends. It's okay. All right. Let's go. Tezca. What is this? The Brawlhalla version of Hulk Hogan. Okay, so probably do 2 more matches here just to go through the rest of the people we're playing with here. What do we got? Should I end with one-on-ones? I like doing the one-on-ones. Those are fun. Bam, 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 bam. Now, would you guys feel bad if I played this game without recording it? Is that a possibility? Can I do that? Or would you feel bad that I was just tearing it up, winning a bunch of games, got a whole lot better without streaming? You know, I don't want to. Maybe tough to stream every time. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh, I'm getting hit. See, I need speed and the power. This guy might be too much power for me. Ooh, a lot of grab. Ooh, double KO. How do I taunt? How do I taunt? Oh, I do not like that. Okay, I guess that gets rid of my special ability. Why would I ever want to do that? Ooh. Why would I want to get rid of my special ability like that? Ooh, double KO? Yep, that guy got me. And, you know, I might need to spread out to the other areas of this map to help me out, but that's okay. Ooh, that didn't hit anyone. Okay. Ooh, nope, that guy got me. Not happening. Not today. Gotta dodge that. Grab and throw. Grab and throw. Hulk Hogan. I don't know. Is Hulk Hogan still alive? I forget if he is or not. I think so, but you know, I'm not that close with wrestling, so I don't remember. Might not be, honestly. I don't know. Between him and Ric Flair, I don't know what their alive status is. Man, it's hard to get a KO when you don't have special ability. No, too close, you know, playing too close to the edge. Am I in last place right now? Man, I gotta fix this. Oh, I thought I was about to hit myself with that. All right, come on, here we go. Come on, jump. See, I'm forgetting to talk because I'm too into this. I'm trying to mount a comeback here. Last place. I don't know. This guy's fast, but he doesn't have the finishing power that I need. Come on, get one more. Ooh, I was about to get a KO there. Man, it's a tight match. Tight match. Last place, 3 KOs. It's not bad. 3-4 KOs. 609 points. A lot more small hits. See, I don't know if that's my gameplay. It's the small hits for it. Okay, yeah, I don't know if that was my favorite. Probably not. All right, Imugi. Now this guy's probably got some big hits coming. This guy, a shark, a turtle. Oh, it looks like snapping turtle. That's what it looks like. Bang. Ooh, big serving knife. A second Imugi has entered the chat. Alright, you got Tezka. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I don't know. I don't remember if I played with any of the people. I don't remember their names too much. There can only be one Imugi around here. I don't like that. I don't like that. Ooh, that. Oh man, yeah, this is just kind of going back and forth. Ooh, I do like that. I do like that move. It takes a while to load up on it, but I do like it. Ooh man, double knockout. Give me back in. Give me back in. Where am I at? Where am I at? Give me back in. Keep it going. See, a lot of big hits getting thrown around here. Not too many small hits. Ooh, man. See, two Imugis going on here. Too much going on. See, I'm not too comfortable with the off-screen antics that go on. Like, oh, I'm in the circle on the side. No, I gotta be in the middle of the screen. Okay, this other Imugi's ripping it. He's going off. Let's see if that kills anyone. Okay, so I threw my ability. Nope, not today. See, since I learned how to throw this thing, I'm just throwing this ability over everywhere. Just get a double KO. These ability things are everywhere, so I'm not feeling as bad throwing it. Man, this guy takes a long time to get his things built up. But hey, when you get them, they're going. Did I kill? You know, that should count as kill for me, honestly. Since I just ran next to that person with that. I just ran next to them with the bomb attached to me, so that should count for something. Man, see, right? It was gonna go off. Man, see, that was kind of slow. A lot of the big hits. That would have been for a faster environment. See, if I gotta pick out the map, gotta do something a little quicker than that. Gotta be a little quicker than that. Okay, let's see here. So we'll do two more. Imugi, it's all right, but it's slow. Slow, powerful, but slow. Let's see what King Zeus's got. All right, just a little bit faster, a little less defense. King Zuvu. Yeah, that's what it is. Not Zazu, like the Lion King character. Yeah, let's get this one going. Bam. I still don't know how to taunt. How do I taunt? How do I taunt? See, people are characters that I can't even be right now. Maybe that's because I didn't pay for the premium package for it. This might be the last one. Well, maybe I'll do this one 1v1. Because, hey, time of this, I got no issues for that. What do we got? Man, I'm just going off on these people. Just big hammer. Man, just back and forth between the two. Just when I'm done with one, going after the other. Ooh, gotta time it out. That guy almost got me. Just big hammer back and forth. Just... Did I blow myself up? Maybe. That guy just tossed me out of the place. Tossed me out of the arena. Alright, yeah, give me back in. Okay, no hammer now. What do I got here? Now we're just hand-to-hand combat. Got that guy. I don't know if it was worth giving up that ability, but I don't know, did it. Oh, I thought that was more solid. It is a lot of getting the abilities you need. Okay, alright. I do like the hammer more than the hand-to-hand. But I don't know if I gave the other thing a possibility. Oh no, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Okay, that's just cheap. You just get stuck there with no... Can't even fight your way out. Your time, it's just unlimited time. Okay, what do we got, what do we got, what do we got? Okay, we're moving. Arena's moving around here. Okay, let's go back and forth. Alright, let's get some hammer swings in here. I'm falling behind here. You know, maybe because I'm going for too big of hits. Maybe I just need to get some contact here. How... Man, I don't even know who's winning. This is kind of not the most intense game happening right now. At least for me. I need to get some big hits. I need to get some more damage going. Alright, this guy's just killing people with this sword thing. Yeah, third candy thing. Man, this is bad showing. That was bad. That was like some of the... I don't know, not as exciting. Damn, wait, this thing isn't scored on damage done? Is it because I died? I don't know what happened for that. That was not... What's it saying? Alright, we're gonna do a 1v1 here. Yeah, whatever. Still level 1. Okay, we're gonna do unranked 1v1. Who do we want to go with? Alright, Scarlet, decent. Caspian, Koya. You know, this big-handed lady, maybe her. She's fast, but not much damage. Enzo was okay. Tezka, no, too slow, too slow. I don't remember playing with Caspian. Let's try Scarlet. No, her wind-up thing. Ooh, Nyx. Nyx wasn't bad. Okay, Koya. Ooh, I forget who I went with. Someone with, I don't know, decent quickness. Let's just go with Scarlet. No, I don't want to go with Scarlet. See, this is a tough decision. It's like picking between your favorite child, like, or your favorite ice cream flavors. Like, man, there's so many options to go with. Koya's fast and... Alright, let's go with Koya. Koya with the all yellow, gold. Alright, let's see. Who do we got here? Missed. Alright, who am I playing? Caspian with the yellow outside. Let's see what we got. Alright. You can use wall slide to reset your jumps. See, I learned that the first time I played. Alright, good. We're still recording. Alright, here we go. Oh, no. No. I'm gonna quit. That was the worst. Man, I don't think things could have gone worse for me. Okay, now we got a bow. So that's good at least. Okay, but man, this guy is hitting combos after combos on me. Wait, did he throw his thing and then pick it up? Oh man, this guy is... Oh man, this guy is getting the damage on me. Yep. Yep. Here we go. Alright, I got too much damage. I gotta find a way out of this. See, maybe I gotta figure out minor hits in this kind of game for it. Ooh, man, minor hits might be helpful. Okay, I see him threw that off and then did that. And got the new one for it. Alright, yep, that's what you get. Gain it just so the other person doesn't. Okay, if this guy didn't do that dumb thing last time, he'd probably be winning this pretty handily, which he might be doing that anyway. Okay, yeah, he's killing me. That was good, that was good. See, I got better at choosing which items to throw away. Man, that guy killed me. All right, we're gonna do one more. That didn't go well. Kaya, that didn't go well. I didn't like that. That went too fast. Yeah. I don't care if you get to level 2 or not. You're bad. Okay. Let's try Scarlet again and see if this goes better. Yeah. I don't know who I'm playing against. Nice. Okay. Bodvar. Thrax in disguise. Beast mode. Okay. Ever tried training mode? We're not training. Live combat. Hand to hand. Dummy. Man, destroying this guy. He can't even get an item off. Man, nothing. No scorn for that guy. Taunt. Bang, bang. Man, easy peasy. This might be it. 3-0 win. 3-0 win. Let's get this hammer out. Dang. This person needs to go to the training room. Man, it's just bad. Now he's gonna come down here and get hit again. Easy. Maybe it should be like tennis where they have like what is it? Where they have faults and it's not kills. Like aces, winners. That's what it should be like. Winners versus just the other person being dumb, where it's just a no doubter over the side from it. But hey, that was a good win. I still enjoy playing this game. We barely even leveled up from that 40 KO. I guess because you don't do as much damage for it. But that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Watch the podcast. Watch Pretty Heroes reviews. All of that. And talk to you guys later. Thanks.